Welcome to our video on freezing carrots. If you want fresh carrots year-round, you're in the right place. We'll show you how to freeze them in a few easy steps so you can enjoy them anytime. Let's begin. I'm Sabrina, a food enthusiast from Bloggingoodfood. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated with my latest videos. Let's dive right in. Step 1, select fresh carrots. First, select frozen carrots carefully. Choose fresh, young carrots and avoid those that appear dry or limp. Additionally, avoid using baby carrots as they don't retain their original flavor well after freezing. Step 2, rinse the carrots. Rinse the carrots as much as possible to ensure completely free of dirt. Step 3, trim the carrots. Trim the carrots using a peeler, and then utilize a knife to cut off both ends of all of the carrots and toss them in the trash. Step 4, cut the carrots. Using a cutting board, arrange the carrots in the shape you want them to be, for example, coins or thin strip. Step 5, boil water. Fill 2/3 of a big saucepan halfway with water. Bring to a simmer. Drop the carrot slices or pieces into the boiling water. Step 6, blanch the carrots. Allow the carrots to blanch for approximately 2 or 3 minutes in the boiling water. Step 7, prepare ice water. It is a good idea to prepare a big basin of cold water and fill it with about 1 plate of ice cubes while the carrots are blanching. Step 8, shock the carrots. Quickly transfer blanched carrot pieces to cold water and let them sit for 2 to 3 minutes on the countertop. Then, place them in cold water to prevent overcooking and becoming rubbery. Step 9, dry the carrots. Dry the carrots thoroughly in a large strainer to remove all excess water. Allow the carrots to air dry completely. Step 10, arrange the carrots. Using a baking sheet, arrange the carrot pieces or strips in a single layer, ensuring that they do not touch or overlap one another. Step 11, freeze the carrots. Freeze the tray for 1.5 hours until the carrots are solid. Flash freezing like this will prevent them from sticking together later on. Step 12, store the carrots. Place the carrot pieces or strips into heavy-duty freezer bags and remove as much air as possible before freezing.